Hi, I'm Rosa. My channel is Deliciously Said, and today I'm going to show you the guest room closet in my house. When we built our home a few years ago, we did not have that closet finished. I did not order shelving or anything for it. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted in that closet, and one of the what I did was I grabbed everything that I needed to store and I just stuffed it in the closet. And my carpenter has come around and he's been able to do some shelving for me. So I'm going to show you the shelving and show you how I'm organizing it. And of course, as I empty that closet, I am going to go through the items and see if I really need to keep everything that I have in there. So, or sort it or whatever it takes. But it's part of my organization project, and I'm glad you can join me as I do this closet. This is the current status of our guest room. And it's because the closet in the guest room has vomited, apparently. But I should have shown you this beforehand, and I didn't. My carpenter is building me a closet, or shelving in a closet. And that's what it looks like right now. I guess I should turn the light on for you. I told him what I wanted, what I want to be able to keep in here. I want mostly shelving because I want to be able to keep things in plastic boxes that for some reason I'm not going to get rid of. So I want all this to fit in this closet. Here is my guest room closet almost finished. They did a really nice job with the shelving. I just need all the touch-up work to dry, and I can paint them white. And I bought these because I'm not sure which one we'll use. I bought a couple different ones. And I bought this at Home Depot so that we can hang right in this section the pole for the hanging clothing. I'm very pleased thus far. I just need to do some touch-up painting with the walls. My husband thinks I should leave the shelving this color, wood color. It does look good, but we'll see, I'm not sure. And then I can sort through all this stuff in the guest room and put it away. I am in my mud room, and I had my carpenter put some shelving up in this room. It's stuff that I got on Amazon, but I had ordered one and he had put it up originally at the very high end of the wall, and then I liked it so much I ordered another one and had him put it in. So I'm going to show you that as well. And my carpenter installed that bottom shelf for me. He had done the top shelf before, maybe about 6 months ago, and he installed this one below, and I have refrigerators and freezers below that, but it just gives me so much more storage in this area. This is how I've organized those shelves so far. I have water on the top shelf and some extra storage, so garbage bags, extra garbage bags, some laundry detergent, paper towels, coolers, just things that I don't need as often. And you may wonder why I have water up there. During hurricane season, we make sure we have enough water for us for 2 weeks, just in case we get a storm. It's just something we do, and then we cycle through the water throughout the year, but that's what that water on the top shelf is for. These shelves are made to support plenty of weight. That's why I'm able to get all that water up there. And this is just a wall where I have freezers and a refrigerator. Not the tidiest of places, but I'm working on it. This has taken me so long, but I am still working on the closet. I have some storage boxes at the bottom, some soap making supplies on the next shelf, and then just random stuff, pictures, pillows, suitcases, storage stuff at the top. I may hang some hooks on this side and put some hanging stuff there. I still need my husband to hang the rod for, I want to hang coats in here because we don't use them often. And this is what the guest room is looking like. Cleaned out quite a bit, but I still have a ways to go. But I am so happy with the shelves. My carpenter did a really nice job. It's just basic shelving, nothing special, but it will work so well for what I am keeping in this closet. And literally before, I had stuff stacked up. As soon as you open the door, there was just stuff stacked everywhere. So it's nice to be able to get things up high and out of the way. I think I'm done organizing the guest room closet for now. It's acceptable. I'm okay with it. And I will work on it some more at another time, but it is good for now, and good is good enough. And I say that quite a bit because I don't want to get hung up on too much and then it won't get done. So let me turn the camera around and show you what the closet looks like. This is what the closet looks like. My husband still has not hung the bar up for coats, but he will. I have some boxes at the bottom that I need to sort through. Some of them are photo albums and I want to move them. I've moved quite a bit of them into my office, into a cabinet I have there, and I want to get the rest of those in there. But if it doesn't happen right now, it's okay. I have some crafting things on this shelf and heaters and things that I want to put away or do something with. The next shelf, similar. And then at the top, both pictures and pillows, suitcases, just storage. And on this other side, I have a ladder and table for now, and some tables that will go behind the clothing at the back of the closet. And like I said, the bar will go right here so that I can hang coats. And I found this nice metal rack that holds hangers on Amazon to keep those organized. I have another type of hanger holder in the mudroom, and then I had some extra hangers that did not fit in the mudroom, so I'm going to keep them here, which will be a great place for them. And let's see what the guest room looks like. Much better. Much better. I still have a TV set that made its way in here, and I'm not sure where it's going to go because we don't watch television really. And I still need to put away the carpet cleaner, a couple fans, and that Christmas tree needs to get put away. But for the most part, the guest room looks much better than it did when the closet the contents from the closet filled the room. And with that, I will leave you until the next organizing project. I thank you for coming along with me, for liking and hopefully subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.